Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. All right, let's begin today's conversation. Hey, you look very relaxed today.
Yes, I feel very relaxed today.
Really? Why do you look so relaxed?
Because yesterday, I did nothing all day.
Nothing? Really? Nothing?
Yes, absolutely nothing.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yes, it was the best lazy day.
So tell me, what time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 10:30 in the morning.
10:30? Oh no, that's very late.
Yes, very late.
Did your alarm ring?
Yes, my alarm rang many times.
So why didn't you wake up?
Because I pressed snooze again and again.
How many times did you press snooze?
Maybe 5 times?
5 times? That's funny.
Yes, even my phone was tired.
After waking up, what did you do first?
First, I stayed in bed.
You stayed in bed? For how long?
Maybe 30 more minutes?
Just lying there?
Yes, I was looking at my phone.
Social media again?
Yes, social media and funny videos.
Oh no, funny videos are dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous.
Why are they dangerous?
Because one video becomes 10 videos.
That's very true. Did you feel hungry after that?
Yes, a little hungry.
So, did you make breakfast?
Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
I ate snacks instead.
Snacks for breakfast? Oh no.
Yes, chips and cookies.
That's not healthy at all.
Yes, but it was easy.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, a big cup of coffee.
That sounds good.
Yes, coffee saved my life.
Did you go outside yesterday?
No, I stayed at home all day.
All day? Really?
Yes, all day.
Didn't you feel bored?
No, I felt very happy.
Really happy?
Yes, staying at home is my favorite hobby.
That's funny. Did you clean your room at least?
I thought about cleaning,
That sounds good.
but then I watched TV instead.
Classic lazy mistake.
Yes, one episode became 5 episodes.
That's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What kind of shows did you watch?
Comedy shows.
Comedy shows? That sounds fun.
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Did you laugh loudly?
Yes, very loudly.
Did your neighbors hear you?
Maybe I heard someone knock on the wall.
That's hilarious.
Yes, I felt a little embarrassed.
So, after watching TV all morning, did you feel hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What time did you eat lunch?
Around 1:30 in the afternoon.
Wow, that's late.
Yes, I was too lazy to cook early.
Lazy cooking time.
Yes, very lazy.
So, what did you eat for lunch?
I made instant noodles.
Instant noodles again?
Yes, lazy day food.
Did you add vegetables?
No vegetables.
Oh no, only noodles?
Yes, just noodles.
That's a very lazy meal.
Yes, super lazy.
Did you wash the dishes after eating?
Not immediately.
I knew it.
I left the dishes in the sink.
For how long?
Maybe 3 hours.
3 hours? Really?
Yes, I kept saying, I'll wash later.
Later never comes.
Exactly.
What did you do after lunch?
I sat on the sofa.
Just sitting?
Yes, sitting and watching videos again.
Oh no, more videos?
Yes, funny videos.
Did you laugh a lot?
Yes, I laughed loudly.
That sounds fun. Did you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, very sleepy.
Did you take a nap?
Yes, I took a nap.
How long was your nap? About 2 hours. 2 hours? That's a long nap.
Yes, very long.
That's not a nap, that's full sleep.
Maybe you're right.
How did you feel after waking up?
I felt good, but also confused.
Confused? Why?
Because I didn't know what time it was.
That happens sometimes.
Yes, I looked outside and thought, is it morning or evening?
That's funny. Did you clean your room after waking up?
I thought about cleaning.
That's good.
But then I watched another show.
Another lazy mistake.
Yes, lazy day mistakes.
Did anyone call you yesterday?
Yes, my friend called me.
What did your friend say?
He asked, "What are you doing?"
And what did you say?
I said, "Nothing. Absolutely nothing."
That's very honest.
Yes, he laughed at me.
I would laugh too. So, after your long nap, what did you do next?
After waking up, I felt hungry again.
Hungry again? Really?
Yes, sleeping makes me hungry.
That sounds funny.
Yes, I looked at the clock.
What time was it?
It was already 6:30 in the evening.
Wow, the whole day passed quickly.
Yes, lazy days go very fast.
So, what did you eat for dinner?
I didn't cook dinner.
Oh no, again?
Yes, I was still very lazy.
So, what did you do?
I ordered food.
Good lazy solution.
Yes, very good solution.
What food did you order?
I ordered pizza.
Pizza sounds great.
Yes, pizza is perfect for lazy days.
How long did you wait?
About 30 minutes.
Did you feel impatient?
Yes, very impatient.
What did you do while waiting?
I checked my phone again and again.
Waiting for food is always hard.
Yes, I watched the delivery map many times.
Same here. When the pizza arrived, were you excited?
Very excited.
Did you eat quickly?
Yes, very quickly.
Too quickly?
Yes, I burned my tongue.
Oh no. Was it very hot?
Yes, very hot.
That's funny.
Yes, I learned my lesson.
Did you watch TV while eating?
Of course.
Eating and watching together.
Yes, I like multitasking.
What did you watch this time?
Another comedy show.
More laughing again?
Yes, I laughed very loudly.
Your neighbors must know you.
Maybe they laugh with me.
Did you finally wash the dishes?
Not yet.
Still lazy?
Yes, very lazy.
Did you feel guilty?
A little bit.
Why did you feel guilty?
Because my room was messy.
Clothes everywhere?
Yes, clothes on the chair, clothes on the bed, clothes on the floor.
That sounds like a disaster.
Yes, a small disaster.
Did you think about cleaning again?
Yes, for about 5 seconds.
Only 5 seconds?
Yes, then I sat down again.
That's very lazy.
Yes, I told myself, I will clean tomorrow.
Classic sentence.
Yes, tomorrow is always busy.
So, after eating pizza and watching TV, what did you do at night?
At night, I felt very full and very sleepy.
Pizza makes people sleepy.
Yes, especially after a lazy day.
Did you finally wash your dishes?
I looked at the dishes.
And then?
And then I said, good night.
You said goodnight to the dishes?
Yes, I promised to wash them tomorrow.
That's very funny. So, what did you do before going to bed?
First, I brushed my teeth.
Good. That's important.
Yes, even on lazy days.
Did you take a shower?
No, I skipped the shower.
Oh no, really?
Yes, I was too lazy.
That's very lazy.
Yes, the laziest day ever.
Did you check your phone again?
Of course, I always check my phone.
I knew it.
I watched short videos again.
For how long?
Maybe 1 hour.
Oh no, not again.
Yes, time moves very fast at night.
That's true. What time did you finally go to sleep?
Around midnight.
That's not too late.
Yes, but I still felt tired.
Why tired? You did nothing all day.
Doing nothing is very tiring.
That's the funniest thing I've heard. Did you feel happy after your lazy day?
Yes, very happy.
Really?
Yes, sometimes doing nothing feels great.
That sounds true.
But today I feel a little guilty
Why guilty?
because my room is still messy.
That's tomorrow's problem.
Yes, tomorrow me will clean.
Poor tomorrow you. So, what will you do differently next time?
Next time I will try to be productive.
Really?
Maybe just a little productive.
Small steps are good.
Yes, maybe I will clean one thing.
That's a good start.
Or maybe I will take another nap.
You're impossible.
Yes, I am the lazy champion.
Lazy Champion of the Year. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.